Hello, Junior Learning House. I am Pat, and today we're looking at maths matrix square number 3. So let's have a look. If you're not sure what that means, open up your scrapbook, get your pencil, maybe your ruler ready as well. So here we go, maths matrix square number 3. So this one is called doubles. My friend is double my age. Double. What does that mean? So we're going to talk about that in a second. How old might I be? And how old might she or he be? Can you find at least 5 ages for each person? Ooh, so it's a little bit of a riddle. So you can have a go at the riddle and let's write it down. So our heading today is going to be doubles. So grab your scrapbook and you know what to do by now, hey? So at the very top of the page, we're going to write your name and we're going to write the date. Here's some other work I was doing before, but we're going to use this half of the page. Title, doubles. There we go. So we've got our heading. Now this is a bit of a tricky one. Now when we're talking about doubles, let's pick any number and you're doubling it. So you're taking that one number and you're adding it and you get a double. So if we have, let's just say 1, okay, well, 1 plus another 1 equals 2. That means we've doubled it. If we have, let's say, just imagine, if you will, that I have 2 Mars bars, 2 chocolate bars. If I have 2 chocolate bars and I double them, well, I get 2 plus another 2. And I get 4. Because 2, or the double of 2, is 4. So if you're new to doubles, you could start just by practicing this. You could do 3. All right, well, what's a double of 3? 3 plus 3 is 6. All right, 4. What's a double of 4? 4 plus 4 is 8. Now, if you're thinking, Pat, this is too hard. I don't know what to do. I don't understand. What you could do is this. You could write, let's do 4 again. So we already know that 4 plus 4 is 8. If you weren't sure of that, draw 4 little dots under 4 and draw them over here. And then count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, keep counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. And there you go. You can write down 8. So 4 plus 4 is 8. You can even try on your fingers. Well, you've got 4 fingers, okay, plus another one, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a double of 4 is 8. There you go. So lots of different ways. If you're just trying doubles, I would start off by doing that. Just start off by practicing. Maybe go all the way up to the double of 10 or 10 plus 10. What's that answer? So I would do that first. So pause the video, go all the way up to what is the double of 10. 10 plus 10 equals, write it down. The next thing that we've been asked to do is we're working backwards. So this is a little tricky. So what we know is, we know the answer. So we're actually writing the answer first. We don't do that normally, do we? So we write the answer, and let's say the answer is 2. Okay, the answer is 2. What double would get us to 2? Okay, what can we double to get to 2? Well, we go back. 1. So we have one person, and they're 1 years of age if we're doing the riddle. And 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now, notice that when we're doubling, we are always ending on an even number. Now, what that means is I always think that, let's say that you are going to dance with someone and you've got one person and you're dancing with another person, so you have a pair or you have 2. All right, well, it is an even number if everybody has a partner. Let me show you what I mean. So if we're looking at the number, let's say 3, okay, well, we have one person dancing and we have another person dancing and we have another person dancing, okay? Well, these 2 people are dancing together, but look, this person gets left out. So 3 is an odd number, meaning there's 1 left over. So what we are looking for is even numbers. Let me give you an example. 4. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4 people dancing. 2 people dance together, and another 2 people dance together, and there is no leftover people. So 4 is even. So when you're working backwards, let's say you have an answer of 4, okay, make sure that your answers are all even and there's no leftover people without partners. That's the easiest way to remember it. So 4, let's have a look. What do we need to double to get to 4? 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. If you want to make a little bit more challenging for yourself and you want to involve, remember, put a date, and you want to involve some writing, what you could write is you could write it as a sentence. So perhaps you could draw a line and your sentence could be the double, because that's the language that we're using, D-O-U-B-L-E. The double of, you could write the number 2 with letters, or you could write it with numbers, that's fine. The double of 2 is 4, once you know. If you wanted a bit of an extension or a little bit of a challenge, and remember, you've already done all that double work there. But that's it for today. So well done for making it to the end of the video. And of course, what's great now is we go back to our maths matrix and we can highlight that we have done that. Fantastic. So remember, this one was a little bit tricky. It was a little bit of a riddle. If you weren't sure, just have a practice of practicing those doubles. Always good to practice our doubles. But that's it. I'll see you again for another video very soon. Thank you for watching.